hopefully we can handle this perfectly. He's just using pound, and he finally transformed. And why is he so pale? Dude, Casper's not a ghost. Why are you so pale? Hey there everybody, PC here, bringing you the 8th episode of Pokemon Sapphire Randomizer Nuzlocke. In the last episode, we got our 3rd gym badge, and that's about it. So, let's do this team recap. First, we have Elementary Neos, our cast form with the Guts ability, and the moves Tackle, Water Gun, Ember, and Powder Snow. Next, we have Battle Warrior, our Poliwrath with the Clear Body ability, and the moves Water Gun, Hypnosis, Double Slap, and Submission. Next, we have Amazon's Fighter, our Machamp with the Shield Dust ability, and the moves Low Kick, Leer, Focus Energy, and Karate Chop. Next, we have Spider, our Ariados with the Chlorophyll ability, and the moves Poison Sting, Nightshade, Scareface, and Constrict. And lastly, we have the Supremacy Sun, our Solrock with the Sturdy ability, and the moves Tackle, Harden, Confusion, and Rock Throw. Alright, so let's start our episode. Alright, so first, I know we're just going to be battling trainers mostly, but I want to try and get to that family where we have to battle everybody. Did you give me something important? No, I'm pretty sure there was somebody who gave me something important in the house here. Was it this guy? Yeah, I think it was him. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Rock Smash. Alright, so somebody's going to have to learn Rock Smash. Who is it going to be? Please let it be somebody good. And everybody can learn it. Sweet. I think our best person to learn it is Amazon's Fighter, but I don't know. Should I? Yeah, let's teach Amazon's Fighter. She already has some moves I don't want. Let's get rid of Leer. Oh, there's an item here. Let's get it. Luxury Ball, sure. I'll take that. Where's my bike? Alright, let's go battle all of these trainers up ahead. Not a trainer? Alright. Oh, no, man. I need to prepare. Let's see. Yeah, let's give it this way. Why do I have to talk to you guys for a double battle? Can't you just look at me like every other normal trainer? Cute couple Joe and Max. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything about that. Let's go ahead. Well, if it is Lord Helix himself. Let's see. How are we gonna handle this? Let's go ahead and use Tackle on Lotad. And we'll go ahead and use Water Gun on the Omanite. Let's speed this up a bit because... Oh, wait, he has static? Come on! Absorb. No, it didn't do much, and alright, easy win. Wait, was she talking about Anna? Oh god, she's cheating. Let's go heal her because I don't like paralysis, but we're gonna do it extremely fast. Alright, I gotta watch the speed button before I run into something. Alright, let's pick up these berries. I have no idea what they do. I'm not gonna be bothered reading them right now, but yeah. We're gonna pick up... Alright, there's an encounter here. Should I keep Neos up front? Yeah, sure. Let's keep Neos up front. See what we can get here. Hopefully our 6th member. And... Really? This guy. This is the guy we got. The one Pokemon that actually gives us trouble. You know what? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take this, so that next time a Wingull or Pelipper comes my way, I'll have something prepared, in case News can't handle it. One more tackle. Not gonna risk it. He has Wing Attack. Of course you do. Now you're gonna be mine. Let's see what we have. I didn't get any more balls. All right, let's use a Great Ball. Then I'm gonna go stock up later. Hurry up. Nope. Alright, come on. Get caught! Alright. Please get caught, Pilper. He did not get caught. Let's go ahead and use a Pokeball. Sometimes they like doing that. Use Supersonic again, no problem. Okay, I'm getting a little worried here. We don't have a lot of balls and... Oh, we got it! We got the Pelipper! Alright, I was getting a little worried. Pelipper searches for food while in flight by skimming the wave tops. This Pokemon dips its large bill in the sea to scoop up food, then swallows everything in one big gulp. So basically he eats everything like he eats soup. Alright, what card should I name you after? Which one indeed? Ah. Well, it's a girl, so... There is one that comes to mind, but I cannot remember his name. Now, forget that. I'm gonna call him... I'm gonna call him Punished Eagle. Alright? Let's go for it. Where's the N? There are probably better birds to choose from, but... I'll just pick this one. Punish, sweet. Now let's see what we got. He has an item. Nice. What do you have? Dive Ball. That's actually helpful. Let's see. Early Bird. Awakens quickly from sleep. I mean, our bird has Early Bird. Nice. Has Water Gun, Water Sport, Wing Attack, Supersonic. That's actually really good. Thank God I got him. Alright. Let's go heal up again. Because we really want Neos to get to level 20. Then I'm gonna switch train in Punished Eagle. But first, we need some balls. Alright, let's see. How much money do we have? Oh, well, we've been stingy, haven't we? Let's go ahead, should I get 10? I'm gonna make it 15. Alright, let me just check my potion situation. How much do I have of that? Was I stingy? Yes, I am. Alright, let's see. Yeah, this sucks. I'm losing all my money. Alright. Hopefully we can survive more without using a potion or a ball. Are you a trainer? Yes, he is. Poet Wayne, what do you got? Hypno. Alright, we can handle this. Let's go ahead and use Tackle. Oh, right, he disabled our Tackle. So, let's go for Powder Snow. Now we're confused. No. Okay. We're gonna be using a potion already. Hate this. In this case, let's just switch out, bring in Spider. And he just... that just sucked. Dude, come on. That was just terrible. How could you just... Alright, let's see. What can I do here? Should I send in Punished? What's your stats? Yeah, his special defense is terrible. Her special defense is terrible, but... Alright, let's go to Supremacy. He can do this. Let's go ahead and use Rock Throw. God, I have to go to Pokemon Center again. Jeez, Spider, come on. Why did he get so much damage like that? Alright, lady. Are you a trainer? Yes, she is. Whoa, 6. Oh, I've gotta be careful here. Alright, let's go ahead and use Powder Snow. We got the freeze! Stay frozen forever! We got level 20! Nice. Rain Dance? No. No point in learning the weather moves because he won't change. Alright, Umbreon. Alright, let's go ahead, switch to Punished right now. Bring in Amazon's fighter who can handle this very well. Nice. Seismic Toss. Should I? I guess it's better than Focus Energy. Let's go as Skarmory. What do I have against Skarmory? I guess all I have is Elemental here and Neos, but can he handle that? Let's give it a shot. Please do a lot of damage. Hit it. Come on. The sand attack. That really... You hurt. I hate that sand attack. He's just spamming sand attack. Alright, it's an Abra. Punish can handle this herself. Let's just go ahead and use War Gun. Yeah, no, that Abra's not doing anything. Another Umbreon? This girl has 2 Umbreons. Why I commit to that dark type? Abusi. Nice. Okay. Should I give this experience to Battle Warrior or should I give it to Amazon's Fighter? Who should get it? Well, I'm going to Amazon's Fire because I think that Battle Warrior will be used much more than Amazon's Fighter. Alright, this is good. Are you a trainer? No, you're not. No, he is not. You're a trainer, right? I need some water. Yeah, that was good. Alright, Porydonis has an Arbok. Oh, I still have News up in front. Shoot. Alright, let's go ahead and use Supremacy. No, don't get poisoned! Man, that sucks. Oh, we're gonna learn Fire Spin. What did we have? I guess I'll just get rid of Harden. But why are you poisoned? Alright, let's see. Oh wait, the town's right next to me, isn't it? Oh. Okay. Should I continue? There are some trainers that I might not be able to avoid. No way, I can avoid this guy. Alright. Alright, let me just check. Okay. We're fine, we're fine. I'm really low on money. I really don't want to use any antidotes or potions. Alright. Good thing we finished here. Now we can take on these trainers. Fisher Maryland has a Poliwrath. Why do you have a Poliwrath? Why you put me to sleep? What? Oh yeah, we awaken early! Nice! This pepper is actually the greatest counter to Poliwrath. Did I pick the wrong starter? Should I have gotten the Wingull, guys? I mean, seriously, why in the world did this happen? Should I go to Supremacy? Yeah, let's give it more XP. I mean, it's a skip room, right? Not gonna do much. Come on, hit with the Fire Spin. Didn't do much. As if it's no. That's it, we're going to Neos. Go ahead, use Ember. Piloswine. Who should I use against Piloswine? No, not. Should I stay in? I mean, he's grounded ice, so... Yeah, let's stay in. Yeah, we're fine. We're flying water type and we're getting XP really fast. I mean, Punish is really catching up. I'm actually loving this bird. I actually love birds, guys. Oh, a Mew! There's a Mew coming out! What do I have against a Mew? I thought I'd use Spider, but Spider is really weak to Psychic too. And I can't let him transform into Punish. Not Punished. Okay, this is bad. Let's just stay in for now and let's see. Who is the best I can choose from? Neos. I'm gonna go ahead and bring Neos. Hopefully we can handle this perfectly. He's just using Pound and he finally transformed. And why is he so pale? Dude! Casper's not a ghost. Why are you so pale? Why is that Mew so pale? That was scary. Kind of like a Cashform ghost, and it's a Kingdra. Do I have anything against that? No, I don't. Alright, let's go ahead and use Wing Attack. We're not doing much. Supersonic. We missed. Come on. Come on, I'm not trying to get my star out, right? Come on, I mean, I know I had a Kingdra for a star last time, but... that's not how we do things. We don't pit old starters against new starters. That's just barbaric. Oh. Okay. Neos, I'm gonna need you to actually pull through here. Come on. Oh, I use Protect. That's fine. I thought I'd outsped and use Explosion. That would have been terrible. Execute. Go ahead, Punished. Wow, Punish is really coming in clutch. God, I love birds. He even has the early bird ability, which is perfect. That just makes me scared that when May actually gets hers, this is gonna be tough. Oh, that guy hasn't done anything? Alright, we already got our encounter here, so let's go ahead and smash it! Yeah, I reunited with your loved one, so you give me strength! Alright, I'm gonna turn to you, Hero Neos. I'm gonna need you to learn this. Please do so. And... Why? Why, Neos? Why? You are really thwarting every attempt of me making you stronger. Why are you doing this? Why? I'm gonna try to teach a spy. Does he have bear attack? I don't know. Let's just check him out. Wow, his attack is really high. Alright, I'm gonna give it to Spire because Punish already has a lot of good moves. But Spire, I really can't use anything except Poison Sting and Nightshade in this case. Caustic's not that strong, and I don't really want to use Scary Face on anything, so let's go ahead and use Electric Strength. Oh, come on, no more Pokemon. We're already wasting too much time on this. Roseberry, alright. Is it the bike? I'll get rid of the bike. That wasn't any better. I guess it is. Oh. You're a trainer? Why didn't you bow me earlier? Alright. Let's go ahead and use Wing Attack. Uh-oh. We can't switch out now, right? Yeah, we should be able to switch out now, but... Should I? Let's go ahead and use Water Gun. Yeah, Punish, doing in the work. Camera up, die! And now Punish is at level 20. Let's go ahead and switch to something else. I want to switch train in Spider, because I feel like it's is it a she or a he? He. I'm used to getting females all the time. Anyway, he's really not getting much experience, and I'm not using him that much. Oh, he dropped his glasses. Yeah, I could get the black glasses somewhere. Let's see. A Moonstone. Do I have anyone to get that? No. I only have the 6 Pokemon on me. Why am I even asking? Let's get rid of the bikes so that we can get minimal annoyances. Alright. Why am I not speeding up? Was there something significant here? Oh, these are Wally's folks, right? What was it about next door? Was it this? No, I don't remember these girls doing anything for me. I don't know. Guess not, because of my imagination. Wait, I haven't battled this girl, right? Alright. Let's go plant all these flowers. That's actually a good commitment. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go up there, battle the family. Hopefully no casualties. Can I get a new encounter before then? No. Alright, so I'm gonna battle this family and call it an episode. Let's go ahead. Hello, I take it you are a traveler. How's this? What do you say to taking on our family of 4 in a series of Pokemon battles? Let's do this. Let's speed this part up. Alright, Dr. Wayne, what do you got? Huntail. Can Spire handle this? Somehow I doubt it. Let me just check his stats once more. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh, his attack is the only thing that's good. Is everybody like it? No. Yeah, comparable to everybody else, he sucks. Except Brutes' special attack. But yeah, even Neo has surpassed him so much. Should I switch in somebody else? No, I'm gonna give him one shot. Let's see what we can do with this. Should I go to Poison Sting? Let's go to Poison Sting. That was bad. He lowered my defense. I'm not keeping him in after that. Let's go ahead and use Amazon's Punisher Fighter. Why did I say Punisher? Alright, Amazon's Fighter. A gold badge. Alright, bringing in Spider. And I'm not keeping him in. Not keeping you in. And alright, let's go to Neos on this. Go ahead and use Tackle. We missed a tackle. Come on, Neos. You can't miss a tackle. Spike level 18. You're a lot tougher than I expected. Hey all! I found a pretty strong trainer! Oh my goodness, aren't you young? You must be quite the trainer to beat my husband though. It's my turn to battle now. Alright, come on. Dr. Robin, family of doctors. Well, good for you guys. I'm not gonna keep him in. Let's go to Battle Warrior. We haven't seen it the entire episode. Let's go ahead. Give her some love. War gun. Should be an easy kill. Don't poison me. We got poisoned! Why did you have to poison me? I have 2 more battles ahead. Oh gosh, I can't get over how strong you are. You shouldn't have poisoned me, woman. There's a strong trainer here. This one's really strong. You're stronger than Mommy? Wow! But I'm strong too. Really? Honestly? I think they should have said honest, but well, whatever. It's your bill. Another doctor? You're too young to be a doctor. There's an entire family of doctors. How is that even possible? I'm not giving Spider. Wow. Why are you poisoned? Try to bring in Neos. I mean, should I? Let's go ahead. I'm gonna have faith in Neos. He will survive. Wow, he really survived. So I sounded surprised, but yeah, I thought he was gonna take more damage. A gulpin, okay. Can Spy handle a gulpin? Come on, you can handle a gulpin. But I'm gonna use strength this time. Nice. But Spy's gonna fall asleep and we don't like that. Alright, we're gonna switch in anyway, so it doesn't matter they're asleep. Or wait, it's gonna matter in the next battle. Why in the world are we getting stats ailments in a series of battles? Alright. I would have sent in Neos, but his HP is way too low, so I'm gonna send in Punish this time. Alright. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna... No, wait. Once again, I hit the Pokemon and I want the bag. Where are my potions? I'm gonna use 1 potion for Elementary Neos. Alright, that's fine. Go ahead and use Wing Attack. Yeah, easy. Punished Eagle doing in the work. Huh? Did I just lose? Seriously, if the next one's a doctor, it's just gonna be too much. How dare you make my granddaughter cry? For that, I'm gonna smack you. Prepare to lose. Oh no, we're gonna be punished by Grandma. Dr. Grandma! She has a Raichu? What am I gonna do against this guy? Easy! I'm gonna use Supremacy. Alright, that's fine. There's Rock Throw. Yeah, Supremacy's son doing in the work. We defeated the Dr. Grandma. Koha, you are strong. My granddaughter was right. Alright, what are you gonna give me? If you're not in a hurry, what's this? A while. What, I get nothing? Oh great, I got nothing. Let me just check. Oh, yeah, I don't want to lose Battle Warrior. That's our starter. We gotta lose our starter now. Let's go ahead and heal up. Yeah, we got rid of those trainers, and now I'm gonna call it an episode. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys enjoyed this, like this episode, comment down below. And if you guys are new here, subscribe and click that little bell for me. And if you guys want, you can follow me on Twitter at PC_PrimeChamp. As usual, I'll be uploading on Tuesdays and Fridays. So guys, stay tuned for the next episode. I'll see you guys later.